All right, everyone, I've finished grading your science. Some of you improved a lot from last time.
I hope I passed. Please don't let mine be awful. You look like you're about to negotiate with that test. I'm just waiting. That's what nervous people always say. Then maybe I'm a little bit nervous.
Here you go, Alex. Better than last time.
Thanks, Mrs. Lane. 8. Not perfect, but better. How bad? Not bad, just not amazing. That sounds survivable.
And once again, Clara has the highest score. Excellent work, Clara.
As expected.
Of course, she never misses.
What'd you get? 8. Nice. What did you get? Clara probably dreams in correct answers. A private number.
10. Still check it.
She's checking it again?
She got a 10 and she's still worried?
That's not normal.
Check every answer. Just check again.
This Friday, our grade will hold the academic showcase. Each class will choose one student to present a science report. Our class will present a report on environmental systems. It is a wonderful chance to show what our class can do. Wonderful for who? Please don't pick me.
I suddenly feel academically sick. That is not a real illness. It feels real to me. Try surviving the announcement first.
And I think we all know who would represent us well.
Here it comes. Obviously, Clara's perfect for it. She won't even need to practice. They already picked her before she said yes. Yeah.
Clara, would you present your water cycle report? You would do beautifully.
Yes, Mrs. Lane.
I knew we could count on you. Thank you, Clara.
Yes, Mrs. Lane.
She always says yes.
She's perfect for it.
Clara never messes up. She probably already has the report memorized. That sounds like a lot of pressure. I'm free! My test and I are never speaking again.
That bad?
Emotionally, yes.
Notebook first, then the folder. Straight. Keep it straight. See you tomorrow, Clara. See you. Folder, books, pencil case. I swear I studied. My test just didn't appreciate the effort.
Hey, you dropped something. Come on, we're leaving. 1 second. 9 out of 10? That's still good.
Clara, this fell out of your bag.
Give it back.
I was just picking it up.
I know.
I didn't mean to look.
Then don't.
It was just a paper.
You weren't supposed to see that.
It's only a 9. Clara.
It was a 9.
That's a good score.
Not to me.
She tore up a 9. Maybe perfect doesn't feel perfect. Alex, you coming? Yeah, in a minute.
The conclusion needs to be clearer. If I explain the system first, the final point will make more sense. Just one more section.
Can I sit?
Why?
Because I wanted to apologize.
For what?
For yesterday. For seeing your quiz.
You picked it up.
I know, I was trying to help, but I still saw it.
It doesn't matter.
It seemed like it mattered. I'm not here to make fun of you. I just wanted you to know that. Is that the showcase report?
One version of it.
One version?
This is the outline. The final copy is at home. This part explains the main system. This part is for examples.
This is your outline?
Yes.
It looks cleaner than most final copies.
It still needs work.
Already preparing? That's why we can always count on you, Clara.
Thank you, Mrs. Lane.
I'm sure your presentation will be excellent.
I'll do my best.
You stopped smiling.
I was done smiling.
That sounded like a job.
Sometimes it is.
You don't have to do that with me.
I have to go practice. Notebook. Draft. Cards. Start from the beginning. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the earth. Too flat.
Evaporation happens when heat from the sun. No. Again.
The water cycle is the continuous movement of water. Not enough. Again. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water.
There's too much to do. The opening's wrong, the middle's weak, the conclusion isn't good. Why is it always so much? Do I even like this anymore?
Clara,
Hi, Mom.
there you are.
Sorry, I was in the library.
Practicing again?
A little.
There's my perfect girl. Mrs. Lane emailed us about the showcase.
She did?
Yes, she sounded very excited. Your father was so proud when I told him.
You told Dad already?
Of course. He told a few people at work, too.
Oh.
Everyone knows you'll do wonderfully. This is a big opportunity, Clara.
Big?
Teachers, parents, school board visitors, everyone will be listening.
Right.
But you've always been good under pressure.
I'll try.
Final copy. Draft copy. One more check. Just one.
Clara! We're going to the park for a little bit. Come with us. You've been studying forever. Just 1 hour, please.
1 hour.
We saved a spot for you. No notebooks allowed.
I can't. I still have too much to fix. They're probably already there. Maybe they're laughing right now. It's only 1 hour. No. I need to finish this. Why does everything have to be now? A healthy system does not need every part to be perfect. What am I even doing? They just wanted me to come outside. Why does that feel harder than this? Do I actually want this? Or do I just not know how to stop? Balanced. No. Healthy. When was the last time thing because I wanted to? Why does this feel more like survival than being good?
How is my perfect girl doing?
Good.
I brought you tea.
Thank you.
Let me hear it once.
I already practiced.
One more run-through won't hurt.
I practiced 6 times.
Then the 7th should be easier. Clara, you have a gift.
Yes.
Do you know how rare that is?
Yes.
A gift means responsibility.
I know.
Other children can be careless. You are not other children.
I know.
I'm not trying to pressure you. I just don't want you to waste what you have.
Okay. The water cycle of water on, above, and below the surface of the earth.
Good, keep going.
Evaporation happens when heat from the sun changes liquid water into water vapor.
Again.
What?
Your voice dropped. Start that section again.
Evaporation happens when heat from the sun...
Slower. Slower. Good. Much better.
Can I sleep now?
Before you sleep, check everything one more time.
Everything?
Check the conclusion and your note cards.
I already checked them.
I know, but careful people check again.
Okay.
Conclusion. One more time. Then sleep.
Just fix the last part.
Make the conclusion stronger. Don't disappoint Mom.
Read it again. The words are moving. No. Stay awake. Just finish.
Wait. I'm not done.
You look tired.
I'm fine.
When did you sleep?
I slept.
That wasn't an answer.
It was enough.
For who?
That's what I thought.
Stay awake. Just get through today.
Introduction. Examples. Conclusion. No, say it cleaner. No time.
You should eat something.
I don't have time.
You have 10 minutes.
10 minutes is enough to fix the conclusion.
It's also enough to breathe.
You don't understand, Alex.
Then explain it.
If you get an 8, people say you tried. If I get a 9, they ask what happened. You can make mistakes and still be Alex. I make one mistake, something broke. That's what it feels like.
I didn't know it was that bad.
Most people don't. So that's what the pressure of being perfect feels like. But is it really worth it?
Everything looks wonderful, Clara. It's beautiful.
Your model looks really good.
Thanks.
You're first, so we'll begin very soon.
No. No. Where is it? It was here.
Clara?
No.
What happened?
It's not here.
What happened? What's not here? I left the final copy at home. You still have the draft. That's not the real report. It still has the report. You don't understand.
What happened?
Nothing.
Clara.
I left the final copy at home.
Clara, how could you forget it?
I'm sorry, I checked it. I fell asleep.
You fell asleep?
She's been dazed all day today.
Alex, stop.
She hasn't eaten lunch. Her hands have been shaking all morning.
Clara,
I'm sorry.
you should have told me.
I didn't know how.
Clara, what's wrong? I can go get it. We still have time.
No,
Clara?
I don't need another copy. I need to stop.
I tried to be perfect because I thought that was the part of me you loved most.
No.
You call me your perfect girl.
It felt like a rule.
I meant I was proud of you.
I'm so tired, Mom.
Oh, Clara.
I'm tired of checking every word. I'm tired of smiling when I'm scared. Tired of feeling like one mistake means I'm not me anymore.
I didn't know.
I didn't want you to.
Then stop.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
People are waiting.
People can wait.
Can I show you something?
What?
Something I kept hidden.
Why?
Because I think you'll understand it.
This is an old test.
A test?
Science. From earlier this year. I got a 6 out of 10. I didn't show anybody because I thought it made me look stupid. This is the paper I was talking about.
You kept it?
Yeah,
Why would you keep something that made you feel bad?
because I think I was still afraid of what it meant. This was a bad test, and that is a messy draft.
Mine is more than messy.
Maybe, but mine didn't make me less of a person.
And yours doesn't either. If they see this, they'll know.
Know what?
That I changed things, that I got confused, that I didn't know everything the first time.
Nobody knows everything the first time.
Can I use this one?
Of course.
Even if it's messy?
Especially if it helps you speak.
The clean version shows what you finished. This one shows how hard you tried.
No perfect performance. Just you.
Okay, just me. My report is called The Water Cycle: How Small Changes Affect the Whole System. I plan to show the perfect version of this report, but this is the version I have. I left the clean copy at home. This draft has crossed out sentences and notes. I was embarrassed by that. But maybe it proves I didn't give up. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on evaporation. The sun changes liquid water into water vapor. That means the water rises even when we cannot see it. This project is about systems. A system works because parts keep moving, changing, and adjusting. I think learning works that way too. When something changes, the system does not become worthless, it adapts. My conclusion is this: the water cycle teaches us that small things matter. A drop of water may seem small, but many drops can become a river. It needs every part to keep going.
Beautifully done, Clara. Clara,
Yes, Mrs. Lane?
you don't have to stand like that. There you are. I owe you an apology
For what?
for making perfect sound like your job. I thought I was encouraging you, but expectations can become heavy.
You brought it?
I found it on your desk
Why didn't you give it to me?
because you were finally telling the truth. I thought calling you my perfect girl meant I was loving you. I didn't understand that it made you feel like you had to earn being loved. You are my daughter before you are my best student. You do not have to earn my love.
I thought I did.
No, never. I'm sorry it felt that way.
That's it. Keep going.
Come here. I love you. Not your score, not your report. You.
Okay, just you.
It was finally complete. They had all gone home for the day, proving that something doesn't need to be perfect to work.